10 facts about the keto diet. 1. The keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that puts the body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates too. The keto diet was first developed in the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy since it gained popularity as a weight loss and general health diet. 3. The keto diet typically restricts carbohydrate intake to 20-50 grams per day of total daily calories. 4. The keto diet includes high-fat foods such as meat, fish, nuts, seeds, avocados, and oils, limits or avoids carbohydrate-rich foods such as bread, pasta, rice, and sugar. 5. The keto diet has been shown to be effective for weight loss, as well as improving blood sugar control, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure in some people. 6. Potential side effects of the keto diet include fatigue, constipation, and nutrient deficiencies and ketoacidosis. 7. The keto diet may not be appropriate for everyone, including pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with liver or pancreatic disease. 8. The keto diet has been studied as a potential treatment for conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and cancer. 9. People following the keto diet may need to supplement with certain vitamins and minerals, such as electrolytes and B vitamins. 10. The keto diet can be challenging to follow long term, as people may struggle with maintaining the strict carbohydrate restrictions and high fat intake. Always consult your healthcare provider or physician before starting a ketogenic diet plan.